international Bharatanatyam dancer, a Bollywood actress, and a yoga enthusiast. Today, I welcome you all to my show, Let's Talk. A little about me, a little about you, a little about the world, and the problems in it. Let's talk. Today, in my second episode of Let's Talk, I invite Rekha Krishnappa, a very versatile actress across languages. She has acted in Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, and Malayalam. Maya Mruga and Tulsi in Kannada, Devi Magal and Nandini in Tamil, Ammakkili and Maya Mohini in Malayalam, and Chittisalai in Telugu. It's still going on, and the list goes on. She has been a wonderful actress. She has been a villain, she has been a heroine, and she has acted very differently and entertained all of you. Today, she is here to talk about how this lockdown is affecting artists and the film industry, and what would be the scenario post this lockdown. So come on, let's invite Rekha Krishnappa. Hi Rekha, I welcome you to my show, Let's Talk.
Hi Vidya, thank
Hi.
you so much. Thanks for welcoming.
Yeah. Rekha, today we are here on my show, Let's Talk, to talk about how this lockdown is affecting the actors in the industry. Okay. So to start with, let me ask you, how is your life going in this lockdown?
We are actually spending quality time with family. We are seeing movies, watching movies, so many movies, because all of us, we like to watch movies.
Correct.
So continuously we are watching 1, 2, 3 movies together for a day.
Very nice.
And we're playing games.
Mhm.
And we are contacting our family, other family people also, my siblings and my mom, and we are on online.
Okay.
And we're playing with them. We played also. We played Housey. We
Okay.
played Antakshari with family and another group of friends.
Okay.
And I love cooking.
Okay.
So I cooked a lot, many varieties, and almost so many things, so many short eats, which we used to buy only in the shops. I made it at home. So it was like a very great feeling, cooking pizza bread, and peanuts. Yeah, and my daughter likes all these Italian and Mexican food. So I try to cook all those things. She liked momos, and she also is cooking so many items. And she had done souffle for Mother's Day.
Okay.
And she had prepared nice pancakes.
Very
so
nice.
many things she had done.
So, trying new things
like
and learning new things.
Time.
Yeah,
Yes.
in regular time, I think this is not possible because you're shooting regularly and she's in a college and everything. So this is a different time altogether.
Different time. And one more thing is like we will not be having so much time to eat together also.
Correct.
We have taken the time to eat properly together. We speak to each other properly, and we see the TV together, and we even read books also. Even I will be reading and they will be listening to it, and we will be asking questions to each other. So that type of quality time is happening.
Great. But among all this quality time, but there is also a fear of what is going to happen to this industry from this. From maybe not from an individual point of view, but as an artist, there are a lot of artists who are going through hardship and because they don't have work and all these effects. What do you think? What have you seen around?
Definitely. Artists are the most affected people, I can tell you, because other people also, they can work from home, but not artists. Correct. We have to go outdoor and we have to face a camera, and so many people are involved in that. So that way, the industry is the most affected industry, I can tell you.
Correct.
And so many people, so many artists, they are daily wagers, and they will be the solo earning member of the family.
Correct.
They might not be, saving much to a situation like this.
Correct.
They might have not saved money, and they will be, spending the whatever they get for the daily needs. They might be spending that.
Correct.
So for this kind of a situation, nobody is prepared. Right. So that way, artists and the industry totally. Artists, at least they are little well paid. but not the technicians and the people who are working in a working class people.
Daily wages work.
So they have not saved much. So they are the most affected people. And one more thing is, whatever it is, people think that artists are really rich and they are all well settled. That's what they think.
Right.
And we have to act like them. Act for them, for the people.
Correct.
We have to be smiling, whatever the situation is,
Correct.
and whatever the crisis is. We have to be smiling, and we have to be entertaining them. That is what they, expect from us.
Right.
So whatever it is, we actually are entertaining.
Correct.
We are, giving so many videos, and so many people are doing cooking videos. So many people are, making fun of themselves and posting videos on social media. And we are
actually
still,
artist life behind the camera is quite a tough one, because recently I was watching this Ramesh Arvind's video where it was his general interview online, where he was telling one of his incident where he was left in such a state where he could not buy anything in a stage of his career, being such a big actor. So every actor goes through this phase, but the general public won't know it. So today I'm here so that the people know that even artists are facing such crisis. And especially I think artists who are in the beginning stages and who are not so well established and have taken acting as their career, they are the most affected, I think. What do you think?
Yeah, definitely. And mainly who the male artists, like they are the solo members, early members of the family.
Correct.
And the wives will be housewives. So they will not be doing anything else. So these
Correct.
people have to, have, everything done. All the work, it will rely on only him.
Stop,
So at least
all
here,
commitments
if
are
a
stopped.
female is an artist,
Correct.
if a female is an artist and a male is something doing something else,
Right.
so there at least you
There's
have
a
a little,
balance.
breathing space. But a solo earning member is a male and he's an artist. They have really a tough time.
Right.
And our artist associations are there, and they are really helping all the artists and the industry people. And soon, I think so, the shootings might start, because from the industry, Karnataka industry, we have asked our government to give us permission for the shoot.
Correct.
And shortly it might start also, with the conditions and norms, of course.
Correct. Okay. And one more thing is, as an artist, we have this responsibility towards the society, because people know us, people recognize us, and people try to follow what we say or what we do. So how can an artist use this social media to help the society or spread awareness? How can we all do it? And you have seen anything like that?
Sure. Like, as I already told you, we are all entertainers, and somehow we need to be connected with people. So that way, people are more connected with artists and industry people. It's vice versa. So we artists are the people who are like, more known to the people. So obviously, people will watch us. So it is a huge responsibility on us. Give them, educate them about this coronavirus and the hygienic part and all these things. And you're already been seeing the Bollywood main stars and Bollywood stars. They are also doing nice videos, and they are, educating people about what to do and how to spend time with family. Being quarantined. So all these things is really helping people, coming to know about this awareness.
I recently saw your video also thanking the doctors and everybody, all the nurses, doctors, and police.
That is a Nurses Day, right?
Yes. Yeah, that was very sweet of you, and it was a very nice video.
Thank you so much.
And post this quarantine, post this lockdown, how would our industry work? What do you think? What are the restrictions which might come, or how would be the shooting scenario?
Yeah, we have already spoken to the government, and they have given us almost 3 to 4 pages of conditions. So if all these conditions are maintained, then only you can start the shooting.
What are the conditions?
Yeah, normal conditions like social distancing, and other than the artists, the other people should have the mask and the sanitization, all these things. The gloves and mask and everything. The producer has to provide, and he will be the sole responsibility for keeping the hygiene.
Okay.
And one more thing is people who are working in working class people, I mean to say, in the industry,
Okay.
they would be having a good uh, information about what is this.
Correct.
They might be just seeing the news and they'll be knowing the things, but they will not be educated about all these things. So
Correct.
we as an artist, we have the sole responsibility to tell them, because we are the people who are there with them.
Correct.
The producers, they will just provide things and they will just go off. So it depends on the artist to teach them and educate them. And we have to tell them the magnanimity of this effects of this
Okay.
coronavirus.
Okay.
So that is the main thing, a responsibility of an artist.
Okay. And
So after the shooting is started.
okay. And how about you work across languages? You work in Kannada, Malayalam, Tamil, everywhere. So how is it now going to be possible for you to travel across cities? It might be a little tough.
I really don't know about it yet.
Okay.
Because I'm right now working on a Telugu project.
Mhm.
I don't have in Chennai and Kerala thing.
Okay.
So I have not yet got any information about that. I'm not yet, contacting them or anything, because Hyderabad has a little, the thing. Traveling issues also is there. Even
Correct.
though if flights are open, it is
Big
AC
issue.
flights, and we don't know like what will happen and how the things are going to, end up.
Right.
So that way, I'm really not thinking about going there right now. But
Okay.
even apart from that, I have not got any calls also from them. So
Okay.
as far as they don't call me, I am just just keeping
Taking it
to
safe.
myself.
Right.
Yeah,
Right.
that's
Right.
it.
Okay. Thank you so much, Rekha. Any final words to your fans and everybody?
Yes, of course. Actually, I've not got a very good opportunity to tell my fans about this coronavirus or lockdown or quarantine. I just want to tell them that this coronavirus, we can't stay in this lockdown forever.
Correct.
So we have to live with it. And of course, after this lockdown cuts down, then we have to go out, we have to work, and we have to do all this social activities.
Correct.
So in that time, at least from now, you know what is hygiene and what is washing hands and social distancing, almost everything. You have to maintain this at least for 2 or 3 years from now,
Correct.
because other than that, we can't do anything else. We have to go on with life,
Correct.
So that's why I just ask all my fans and all the people from all over the world, of course, to maintain hygiene. And probably after this next generation, they will be, from the beginning, they'll be knowing how to maintain the hygiene, and
Social
they will
distance.
be educated with that social
Correct.
distancing and everything. And that way, be safe, be hygienic, and keep social distancing.
Okay. Thank you
That's
so
what I
much.
want to say.
Thank you. Thanks for making time and coming on my show.
Sure, I'm pleased and honored, actually. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed this episode with Rekha Krishnappa. If you're still not subscribed to my channel, please press the subscribe button and the like button and share it with your friends. Thank you. Let's talk soon.